Good day, it is Stephen Davis here, and in this video I want to show you how to adjust the settings of the upper and the lower looper. The upper looper is responsible for the top part of the stitch, and the lower looper is then responsible for the back part. The back part or the bottom part. In a well-balanced stitch, the top thread and the bottom thread is balanced. And suppose we take this in as a balanced stitch where the top thread and the lower thread, they meet in the middle. But sometimes it happens that the lower thread comes over and is here on this side here on the top thread. There it is, hangs over, and sometimes the thread hangs on the other side lower. The thread can be balanced, but sometimes it moves over to the one side or to the other side. This is the middle of the thread where the cables meet, and sometimes it moves to the one side or to the other side. And if you see my hands, any two there's basically a tension where these two cables meet. On the one hand, one looper pulls and the other looper pulls also. You can see here, if I want to pull to the yellow side, I must pull stronger, or I must at least then, this hand, my left hand, must reduce the tension and the power in order to move to my right hand side. If I want to move to the other side, I must either increase the strength and the tension, or I must reduce the strength of my right hand side. So this is the way then the thing can move to the one side. You improve the strength or you reduce the strength on the other side. And the same applies then to these loopers. If the cables meet here on the left hand side, it means that the left hand looper, the top looper, pulls too strong, and you simply have to reduce it slowly until it meets in the middle. Or alternatively, you can on the one hand reduce the strength, or you can increase the strength of the bottom looper. The same applies here. If the cables meet here on the bottom side, in the yellow side, you can either decrease the strength here because it means that this pulls too strong, you decrease the strength, consequently the cables will meet on the other side. Alternatively, you can increase the strength, and that is then what you do here. You either increase the strength of the cables, you either increase the tension here, or you decrease the tension here, and the opposite also happens. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share and subscribe.